everyone, and welcome to Walk the Talk activity. And for this, today we are going to discuss a very powerful topic, that is, the world would be a better place if more women were in charge. So for this, we have our special guest today, my friend Mr. Parush.
Hello Divyanshi,
Hello, Parush.
how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good.
So let's hear some views from him.
So as you told about the topic that women should also be getting some opportunities in today's world. So I think that I agree with you, because we have already seen that women are not getting opportunities in the earlier days as well. And even now the scenario is like that, if they are even getting the opportunities, they are not being respected, because we see that gender biasness is still there.
Yes.
And not only the gender biasness that I'll talk about, it's about like why only women are being disrespected.
Yes.
Why men or the other people do not feel that they are also equal to them.
Yeah.
So this is my points.
That's interesting. So can you just give me the real life examples of women that has a positive impact?
If I talked about the real life example, I think you must have known Indra Nooyi.
Yeah.
Indra Nooyi, who is the founder of PepsiCo,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So she is also a woman, but
Yeah.
the thing is to understand that how she has managed herself in such a way that she has introduced her company in such a very good way and visioned her company in a very appropriate manner, that she is getting respect more than the people working there. Because not only that she is a co-founder there, but she has visualized her company so well, and she has established so much critical thinking in that she has given lot of benefits to her company.
Yeah. Very well said. So my next question is like, many people said like it's matter on the skills, whether it's a female or male. So why it's saying like if more women were in charge, the world would be a better place. What do you think of this?
See, although skills are important in today's scenario,
Yeah.
okay. See, every company needs that the person should be well trained, or the person should be well learned, well acknowledged with things. But what about women? Women is something like should be given respect of.
Yes.
See, if a person is present there, if a man is there, then there should be a woman present in back of hands.
Yes.
As already said that एक आदमी के पीछे एक वुमेन का बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So that is a Hindi saying, but it is true.
Yeah. Of
See,
course.
it is true, because see, if you talk about the women in today's world, so women are something those who have a lot of, a very deep thinking about how to
Yes.
establish themselves.
Yeah.
Not even how to establish themselves, but also to support the other person also.
Yes.
And if we talk about their care, if we talk about the present, so it matters a lot to the people, because presenting a woman as a woman, like if I talk about yourself as well, so you are also a woman.
Yes.
So you also understand that in today's world, like how women are being, treated, or like how women are being, backstabbed, like why it is happening.
Even it's better nowadays than we compare with the
That
earlier
is
days.
because, see, as we said, that everybody is not wrong.
Yeah.
There are certain men, or there are certain people, those who are supporting women.
Yeah.
And I also got an initiative to support women like this, so I will do it for them.
Yes.
So that is the something I want to have.
Yeah, very nice. So, at the end, what message do you love to give to the young youth and women that will be helpful for them?
For the young youths, especially for the women and
Yeah.
the men, those who are becoming the adults right now, and also those who are, just going for the companies or something, the only message I want to give is that there should be no gender biasness, first
Yes,
of
for
all.
sure.
Right?
Yeah.
Because gender biasness does not only create a chaos in between two people,
Yes.
it also gets you in a place where you cannot be supportive to any other person.
Yeah.
And also, if you're talking about the company, so like if they are working people like women and men both, so it is like there should be a proper environment where women is treated in a very appropriate manner,
Yes.
and people should support them.
Yes. Thank you. And this is our Walk the Talk session. I hope you all love it.